AI is going to replace millions of jobs, but it's also going to create brand new ones. The question is, which side will you be on? Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into something a lot of people are curious about, the future of work. AI is changing everything, and it's not just about replacing jobs. It's also creating new ones. So in this video, I'm going to break down the top AI-driven careers we will likely see by 2030. And more importantly, how you can compare for them starting right now. Let's get into it. All right, let's kick it off with 5 jobs that are already starting to blow up because of AI and will be in huge demand over the next 10 years. First up, we've got prompt engineers. These are the people who know exactly how to talk to AI. They write prompts that help ChatGPT or Midjourney generate high-quality results. Imagine you're working on a marketing campaign. Instead of spending hours creating concepts, a prompt engineer can craft a single sentence that makes the AI do 80% of the work. These folks are earning up to $300K a year in some cases. Crazy, right? Next, we have AI product managers. These are the ones who help turn an AI idea into a real product. They don't need to code everything themselves, but they do need to understand how the tech works and how it can solve real problems. Think of someone leading the team behind ChatGPT or Google Bard. That's what this job looks like. Third, there is a growing need for AI ethics officers. With all the power AI has, companies are realizing they need someone to make sure it's used responsibly. These people think about fairness, bias, privacy, all the things that could go wrong. And trust me, governments are starting to require these rules too. So the demand is only going to grow. Fourth, we got data annotation and curation specialists. This is a great entry point if you are new to the field. These folks help clean, label, and organize the data that AI learns from. Without them, the models don't work. It's remote-friendly, flexible role, and it's a great way to break into the AI world. And finally, human-AI collaboration designers. These are the people figuring out how we should interact with AI. Think voice interfaces, virtual assistants, and even wearable AI. It's part UX design, part psychology, and part tech. If you're creative and love thinking about how people use tools, this might be for you. Let's get real for a second. These aren't just theoretical jobs. They are already hiring for them. Prompt engineering roles at places like Anthropic or OpenAI, they're offering between $175K and $335K base. Yes, really. And that's not including bonuses or stocks. AI product managers at Meta or Amazon, you're looking at $180K and up. Some of those packages go over $250K when you include equity. Even AI ethics and policy roles at Microsoft or Google are being filled by people with legal or policy backgrounds, and they're earning 6 figures too. And here's the best part. Most of these jobs are remote friendly. You don't need to live in Silicon Valley, and because AI is evolving so fast, companies are open to people who show real skills, even if they don't have traditional degrees. Alright, so how do you actually get one of those jobs? First, learn the basics of Python and machine learning. You don't have to be a coder, but understanding how models work under the hood gives you a huge edge. Platforms like Coursera, Free Code Camp, and YouTube tutorials are amazing for this. Second, get a good communication and business thinking. This is a key. AI is not just about models. It's about solving real-world problems. If you can talk to both engineers and executives, you are golden. Third, practice prompt engineering. Seriously, open up ChatGPT and experiment every day. Try using for writing, summarizing, brainstorming, coding, everything. The better your prompts, the better your results. Fourth, study product thinking and AI ethics. Books like The Alignment Problem and online courses from Deep Learning AI are great for this. It's not just about building powerful tools, it's about building the right tools. And finally, stay current. The AI world moves fast. Sign up for newsletters like the Rundown AI and Ben's Bytes. Follow smart people on Twitter, and of course, subscribe to this channel. I've got you covered every week. Now look, I'm not here to scare you, but I have to be real. Some jobs will disappear. Basic data entry, automated simple transcription, gone. Even some parts of customer support, already handled by AI. But that doesn't mean you're doomed. In fact, you've got a huge opportunity right now if you're willing to adapt. Focus on becoming someone who uses AI instead of competing against it. That means developing skills in creativity, critical thinking, emotional intelligence, and problem solving. AI is powerful, but still needs a human touch. So instead of asking, how do I keep my job? Ask, how do I make myself more valuable with AI? That's the winning mindset. If this video helped you understand where the future is heading, hit that like button and subscribe if you want more weekly breakdowns like this one. We're just getting started here. Let's build something amazing together.